Join me as I take on the challenge of making delicious Korean kimchi from scratch. Can I nail the perfect recipe? Korean cuisine is known for its bold flavors and spices, and one of the most iconic dishes is kimchi. For Koreans, kimchi is more than just a side dish. It's a staple that accompanies every meal. From its spicy kick to its tangy flavor, kimchi has gained popularity worldwide, and I'm excited to share with you how to make it at home. Some people might think that making kimchi is complicated or time-consuming. I've heard people say that you need to have a special recipe or a Korean grandmother to guide you through the process. But trust me, it's easier than you think. With just a few simple ingredients and some basic tools, you can create your own delicious kimchi at home. Making kimchi does require some preparation, but it's definitely worth it. You might think that you need to have a lot of experience with Korean cooking or that it's just a dish that's best left to the experts. But I'm here to show you that anyone can make kimchi. Another misconception is that kimchi is too spicy or too sour. But the beauty of making kimchi at home is that you can adjust the flavors to your liking. Want it spicier? Add more chili flakes. Want it milder? Use fewer chili flakes. It's really that simple. So, what do you need to make kimchi? First and foremost, you'll need Napa cabbage. This type of cabbage is specifically designed for making kimchi, as it has a firmer texture that holds up well to the fermentation process. You'll need Korean chili flakes, garlic, ginger, fish sauce, and rice vinegar for kimchi. In addition to the ingredients, you'll need some basic tools. A large bowl for mixing, a knife for chopping, and a jar for fermenting are all you need to get started. Some folks love using fancy tools for making kimchi, but honestly, they're not a must. It's the Korean chili flakes, or Gochugaru, that really bring the heat. You can adjust the amount to your liking, but be warned, it does pack a punch. The garlic and ginger add a depth of flavor, while the fish sauce and rice vinegar provide a salty, tangy taste. The fish sauce might seem like an unusual ingredient, but trust me, it's essential. It adds a rich, umami flavor that elevates the kimchi to a whole new level. With all your ingredients and tools ready, it's time to start making kimchi. Begin by chopping the cabbage into bite-sized pieces and rinsing it in cold water. Then, in a large bowl, mix together the chili flakes, garlic, ginger, fish sauce, and rice vinegar. Once you have your mixture, add in the cabbage and toss until it's evenly coated. You might need to get in there with your hands and really massage the mixture into the cabbage. After that, it's time to transfer the kimchi to a jar and let it ferment. This is the most important step, as it's where the kimchi develops its signature flavor and texture. The fermentation process can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days, depending on your desired level of sourness. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can create your own delicious kimchi at home. Making kimchi is surprisingly simple, and the end result is well worth the effort. The best part is that you can customize it to your taste, so don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. If you've tried making kimchi before, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments. What worked well for you? What didn't? And if you're new to kimchi making, I encourage you to give it a try and share your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other cooking videos for more recipe inspiration. Check out the ingredients and instructions in my posts on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.